Alrighty, boys. Well, I have done another bad thing. It seems to be a really common theme lately.
It's been a bad weekend.
Yeah. This is something that we at least could use and build, and we know them well. And from what you can see here, starting, there is Yamaha Exciters.
If we didn't have enough already.
Right. This is going to be a 78 440 with a 340 hood.
And an immaculate, man.
Oh yeah, condition is good. I believe that's a 77 hood, I think. Can't tell, I have to look at the graphics. What do you think of the choke with the cotter pin?
Yeah. Yep.
Dude.
The hood already cotter pin too.
Tank is not broken?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, she's
in.
She's in. What is that? Did they have pop riveted a luggage box up there?
What?
That's like kind of an ET.
Sick.
So there's one exciter. Mind you guys, I bought a huge package deal of exciters and parts. I just had to do it. Not that I needed it, but just had to do it.
Delivered, by the way,
Delivered,
too.
guys, it was delivered. It saved me a couple hours of driving. Next is a 76 Exciter 440 with the 78 hood.
Yeah,
Don't
double
be-
gauges.
Yeah, don't be fooled. Yeah, don't be fooled. It's a 76 with the spreaders, gusseted.
And what's the telltale of a 76?
Stirrups.
So you can get your feet hooked in. And
I believe they had the same graphics like this, but they just had a stirrup here. I think that was the only difference. But I'm gonna check. Like I said, it's an 8E8 model number. So maybe it's a 7, but I know Mark's never had a stirrup on it, and my other 77 doesn't have a stirrup on it. Followed by another 78 440 with a decent windshield, decent hood.
good hood.
I think the motor just set in there, taken apart.
This is like one of the best hoods I've seen. It's got
skid track,
a little bit of
Chafing.
fiberglass, but dude, that is
almost as good as the one you had.
it's better than that one I had. Mine had a little cracking on it.
So we
This
got
thing is
that
immaculate. That's a $100 hood.
tank, and look at the cowl. Oh, she's broke.
Ah,
But no, she snapped. But the
Dang.
tank, dry as a
That was
bone.
solid, yeah.
Not a lick of varnish in it.
low clip. Oh,
Oh,
12,500 miles.
Oh no, what do we have on these?
Woo.
Only 3,000 on this one.
What about on the hood?
5,000. I didn't check this one either. That one doesn't have gauges.
That's right.
It's a different hood. And then we got 3 chassis, a 78 340 and two 78 440s. Just mainly chassis. They're not really the worst.
No.
They got this one's got steering components.
Yep.
That's got spindles. I'm sure they're seized.
Oh, yeah. This one's got shocks on it too yet.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no, they ain't seized. They budge by hand, they'll come out. This is my pry joint. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. So that's a 340 chassis.
Yep.
A little harder to find, guys.
Yep.
And it's not
In horrible shape.
the worst.
Yeah.
Nice thing is these are all aluminum and they're light as hell. You can just lift
Yep.
them right up.
Skid.
Skid out of a 78, it looks like somebody labeled it. Plastic pieces are all in good shape for the hood latches, all
Yep.
those plastic little latches. And then we got this one, 79 440 with the wrong motor, and steering that's seized. So this one's gonna have to get parted out probably.
Nice bumper though.
The only thing is the
Decent
paint
bumper.
cowl. Oh, damn it, dude, it always broke. Cap, still
But
latches.
a good windshield.
An OG,
The hood,
dude.
The hood is pretty dang nice
Yeah,
too.
a little scuffage, like look at
Yeah.
the rubbing, like a buck was rubbing on it, you know? It's got a buck rub on it.
Yeah.
Bumper really isn't the worst either.
No, it's a little pushed in
little
some
bit.
spots, but and
This
then
one,
the
he
pride and
says-
joy.
Apparently runs. I'm gonna just pop the hood. We'll try to start it up here. Obviously, they put a different seat on it, so you know they actually rode this one. Oh! Take a
short
look,
throw.
boys. Look at the stinger. That is straight out of Escanaba right there. Oh, it's stiffy. Look at the bar pad, though.
That's a mint bar pad.
What are we thinking, dude?
Almost 10,000 miles on her. The short throw hood too. You can't even work on it.
Wow, we got a stinger pipe, and it's right on the belt. It's just melting on the belt.
Yeah. Look at the front of it. You can see the belt melted.
Oh,
And it melted
look at the
the wires. Look at this.
Well, it's just the conduit, though. Oh, and LED headlight
Nice.
with the conversion.
Yeah.
It's got the SRX, whatever the heck, seat in it. Track isn't bad. Is she having issues there?
No, I'm on the, sorry.
Nice. Well, this one apparently runs.
Here, let me,
Oh yeah, nice and stiff. Ooh, it's got bides on it, I think. Take a
yeah.
look.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they're drilled. Just runners. Well, no, they're back. Ski shocks didn't seize. They're moving. Huh.
Nice.
Bumper. We don't know what happened
fabbed
there.
up bumper.
Wow, but it would be we could put that hood on this.
Yep.
To make a nice 79.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Because this is duct tape.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Well, he claims. I mean, I did hear it just. Oh, it's full too.
Full to the brim. That's high price these days. Go take it for a spin.
I got it. All right, and the
Wow.
track works. 9,000 kilometers. Hopefully you heard a little sound of that stinger. There's a little wind out today, but I don't know if she's jetted for the pipe. I'm sure it is very hot on the piston. But I'm gonna give her a nice full open run in that field, and you're gonna hop on it, take it for a little run, and then we'll park it in the shed.
All right, deal.
Started one pull. I literally pulled it up.
Factory.
I don't know about factory, but all right, boys. So we got the two semi-decent sleds put in the shed here, along with that 77 you guys haven't even really seen yet. We have to not restore, revive. So we found out that was a 77, not a 76, even though it's got stirrups. Maybe somebody just added them, but I checked the VIN number is a 77, so it's a 78, of course. But yeah, we wanted to keep these inside because these are a little bit nicer, more complete. So let's keep them out of the elements when we can.
Yeah, I agree.
And then we just have one task left, and that is to take that 79 with the stinger for a little grass drag. Yeah, grass drags.
All right.
Full shot.
Machoa, your beard is full of greenies.
Dude, I mean, I was a snowplow.
I know, I was sitting there at the camera like this, trying to record you. I'm like, I don't know where he is, but he's somewhere.
Jesus. I thought it was cut down a little bit out there.
No.
Like it was mowed.
Oh, no.
Turns out not.
Judging by the debris that you're...
I want to make sure I didn't get any. Anything's going to start on fire.
Oh, no, I didn't even get that hot. Ate the snow flap a little bit.
Yeah, oh, she smells hot.
Yeah.
It definitely smells hot. That was the running sled of the collection that we bought. There was 5 or 6 Exciters. That one turns out to be a 79, and it runs first pull. Yep. So I'll take it. The rest of the stuff, we've kind of moved the parts around already. We got to get a couple bins because I was parting out in 1980 when these showed up in my house. So yeah, if you guys need Exciter parts and you're in the Midwest, we do ship parts. We probably got, I mean, on the premises now, what, at least 12, 15
yeah.
Exciters and a lot of parts. So, God, I got mentioned like a mother trucker. But yeah, anyways, would not recommend riding in the hayfield. That hasn't been mowed all year. But I had to get my itch out for the old summertime fun.
Well, as you guys can see, we're approaching capacity even more than usual. We'll give you this little rundown of the shop.
That ski wheel we picked up recently, and then we picked up another ski wheel you haven't seen. And you picked up another ET that they haven't seen.
Oh, a very special ET.
We'll be doing videos on that.
So we got to get some more work done here. Probably some more shelves in the near future. All right, guys. If there's ever anything you guys want us to check out, make a video on, anything you want, any certain sled you want us to fix so that you guys can see, feel free to drop it in the comments. We're always open to new ideas. We've got a little bit of everything, but if there's something out there, let us know. Other than that, keep your stick on the ice, boys.